Yeah! Get up! It is prepping for warm springtime weather here in Northern California. And again, I gotta show sympathy to my friends out there on the East Coast who are still getting pummeled, I guess, with snow and you know, these winter storms, because it's supposed to be 80 degrees by the end of the week, and spring is on its way to Northern California. So I'm excited for that. Excited to get out more often on the bike. The days are definitely getting longer now that we've sprung forward. I don't like the fact that I feel like I'm waking up an hour earlier every day, but I do like the fact that I have an hour more of sunlight to get out and do what I love to do. So a little while ago, I brought up a subject on a certain new product, and when I say new, it's relatively new. But the Helite airbag vest was the topic of conversation. Today I want to bring up another newer safety product that's available out there, and it is more available to those people who are watching me in Europe, but it definitely is. You can still buy it here in the United States, and that product is called Bowtex. Now, I'm not talking about Botox, and I'm not talking about Bowflex. It's kind of an interesting name just because of that fact that it sounds like a couple of different things that are kind of familiar. But it's called Bowtex, and that's the name of the company that makes this new technology. Now what it is they've got this base layer, and what you can do is you can wear this product underneath basically anything. But basically this product is made of 55% Kevlar, DuPont Kevlar, I guess if you want to be technical. And if you're not familiar with what Kevlar is what they wear in bulletproof vests. So pretty strong, sturdy material. That's 55% of what this product's made of. It's another 25% what's called Protex M. And what this is I did a little research on Protex, and Protex is a material that is flame retardant. So you've got something to control heat in a slide. If you were to fall off your bike and you're sliding on the ground, it's going to help to prevent that burn. And then the last 20% is cotton, so a nice breathable, soft material to mix in there with all those other kind of heavy duty, really sturdy materials. So this is what Bowtex is made of. It's 55% Kevlar, it's 25% Protex M, and it's 20% cotton. And that is what we have building up this base layer to keep you safe in case you fall off the bike. Now, I'll throw up a video here of really quick of the testing that they've done on this Bowtex material, and so I'll throw it up right here. Now, obviously, showing you that once you get through that layer of like what I'm wearing right now, or is denim, once you get through that layer, I mean, you're toast. And what it shows is, this base layer of Bowtex is really going to protect you from road rash. Now, this thing comes in like this full thermal, which comes from like head, neck down to your arm, their long sleeves, and then all the way down to your legs as a base layer. And now it's got this yellow color because that's the natural color of what I guess what Kevlar is. There's no dyes here. They just went with the natural color of what these materials actually look like. And you can also buy it if you want to pay a little bit more for black, if you want to not use it as a base layer and you want to really just use it just to wear. And the black one though is not a dye that makes it black. They've actually built it from the ground up with black fibers, so it's not going to fade. So I mean, even though you're paying a little bit more for the black, it's a little more stylish, and it's not going to fade. So that's good to know there. So I'll also throw up a link here to some people who've done reviews on this product already, and it's fairly new. It was introduced last year in 2017, and fairly good reviews that have been done on this product. I mean, fairly what I should say is fairly positive reviews done on this product. Now, without actually being able to buy it and without actually being able to test it out myself, not that I would actually get down on the road and test out the durability of this material, because I'm not going to doubt the durability of this. I mean, it is made out of Kevlar, so it's going to be super durable, make you very safe. I mean, they even got the pockets if you want to throw some padding in there. But so here's my beef with this material. So you've got this base layer that's made out of Kevlar and this flame retardant material and cotton. If you're going to wear this in the winter time, that's fine. It's going to give you another layer of insulation to keep you warm. But for a lot of people in a lot of geographical areas, such as mine, where we do a lot of riding when the weather is warm, if this material and this Bowtex is not going to be breathable, and it's going to keep me like hot, this is going to be something where I'm going to probably do a hard pass on this. Now, again, if it's breathable, I'll be able to tolerate it to an extent. But the other thing here is that that's working against this, according to that one guy, is that it's not cheap. It goes for 199 euros. I'm guessing that's going to turn out to be like $220 American dollars. So you're going to pay quite a bit for what's going to be a base layer. And for me, if I'm going to get all sweaty in it, that's going to be like a one-time where I'm going to throw it in the wash. If I'm going to spend that kind of money, I'm going to look for something that's like going to be an outside layer, like a pair of riding jeans that you probably can find a pretty decent pair for around $200, I'm guessing. Riding jeans, what I'm talking about. You're going to be able to find a pretty good pair of an outer layer where I can wear, I could wear a regular base layer, and then I could get a good 2 or 3 wears out of those before I have to wash them. And just for me personally, where I'm riding like every day when the weather's nice, and if I want to be safe, I'm gonna go ahead and go for something that's an outer layer that I can get a few wears out of before I gotta toss that thing in the washer before it starts smelling. So again, for me that's kind of working against this Bowtex. It's a really good idea. I'm not gonna say that this isn't a good, safe idea. Something that you should consider if you're one of those people who are to like to ride a little bit more dangerously, if you want to say it, is to have that that extra layer of safety. I think that's pretty brilliant that not only did they put that Kevlar in there, but they put that flame retardant material also to help. I mean, because if you bail out on your bike and you're sliding along the road, I mean, you're not just looking at the road rash, you're looking at some burns too, because of that friction on the road. So I would say, check it out. If it's something that you would consider wearing or shelling out a couple $100 for, go for it. I'm all for safety, and that's why I like to do these videos. And then I'll throw those links down in the description to Bowtex's channel, also to Bowtex's website, so you can check it out. Maybe if you want to pick some of those up. Again, if you're ordering in the United States, you're gonna have to buy it online. There's no place to go in store and try it on or anything. But if you're in Europe, I know that there's a lot of retailers that are selling it there. So good luck for you guys. So guys, let me know what you think about not necessarily just this about this product Bowtex on its own, but also how you feel about protective gear when you're riding. Maybe what you guys are wearing that helps you, makes you feel a little bit safer while you're riding. And go ahead and leave that in the comments. Now guys, If you like this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up, and if you're so inclined, hit the subscribe button, which I'll throw right up over here. And I'll also throw up some links in this direction that you can go straight to one of my other videos. Guys, if you're riding, be safe, and if you're not riding, get riding. This is that one guy, and I'm out.